Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this XIAOMI smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. Following that, you need to scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Vibrate Focus. This way you can switch off or on vibrations for all your incoming calls. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate in silent mode to switch on or off vibrations while your device is muted. Lastly, click on this one next to Haptic Feedback to disable or enable vibrations for all system controls and gestures. If you decide to enable it, you can also adjust intensity by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!